So basically, what we got here is we went and did angle iron and just took a 700C wheel with cantilever so I can just take the wheels off when I need to. The wheel, if you can zoom in here, you can see it's butted up against there, so there's no space. And then when I did over here, we had to take washers to fill in a bit of that gap, and that helped out significantly. But it's just about an inch piece of steel, square tubing, and that boat is 60 pounds dry, and then with my tackle probably about 85 pounds, and it supports it. You can of course put something on here. I'm probably going to put some noodle on here, you know, something to kind of like soften it up so it doesn't scratch the boat up. But besides that, that's pretty simple. That's a pretty simple design. I was actually pretty happy with this. Let's see if I can zoom out for you, give you an idea. That's 35 inches across. And then what I did is I had tried this in wood, which did not work. So what we did is we just took the eyelets for the anchors and then just welded them to there. That's all there is to it. This was the original project right here. That was a sample. It didn't work out very well. It just kind of fell apart. So I wanted to make a dolly for this. It was a little bit more functional. We used 700cc wheels for my bike riders, and then use some iron to weld. Goes right in about the 3/4 mark. It lightens it up pretty nice. Just really can move it around easily. One person. Put in the car now. It's pretty slick. So it turns pretty well. It bows a little bit, but not much. Protects that rudder a little bit.